Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. My name's Connor and this is where the informal tech reviews live. Now, today's video is a special one because we crossed over that 300 subscriber threshold, and I wanted to give back by just saying thank you to everybody and offering a giveaway. So today we're going to be giving away a set of RayNeo Air 3s, and by today I mean in the near future, because this is the official entry video. In order to get entered into the giveaway, you have to be subscribed to the channel and drop a comment letting me know what's the first thing you would use a pair of RayNeo Air 3s to watch or play or do. But yeah, that's how you enter. It's going to be US only. There's official rules in the description of the video. This is not a technically sponsored video because while one of the pairs I did receive for a review from RayNeo, the pair that I'm giving away technically I bought. So no sponsor from RayNeo and no sponsor from YouTube. So yeah, check out the official rules in the description, drop your comment, hit that like button if you are enjoying the content, and make sure you're subscribed to the channel. We appreciate everybody, and stay tuned for more informal tech talks. Oh, one other note before I let you go is they actually are on sale. So if you don't want to wait for the giveaway and you want to just jump in, get your set of a pair, use the link in our description or comment section. That is our channel's official affiliate link. We greatly appreciate it because it does support the channel. But yeah, they're on sale, $30 off. They're $239. So if you we'll see you next time. Peace.